Welcome to KuttiChutties.
Hello Kutties! Today we are going to learn farm animals name from the picture. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Dog, hen. Rooster, duck. Fish, pig. Rabbit, cow. Horse, goat. Pigeon, parrot.
Thank you for watching.